Hi, this is me again, Bambi. And then I'm gonna sing a song by Christina Aguilera. Kain ka na. Mamaya. Every day is so wonderful. Suddenly, it's hard to breathe. Alam mo to? Word ko tayo. Now and then, I get insecure from all the things I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful, no matter what you say. What can bring me down? I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, what can bring me down? No, no. Don't you bring me down today. Kabila. To all your friends, you're delirious, so confused, and all you're done, trying hard to fill the emptiness. The breeze is gone, and the past is wonder. It's the way it is.
'Cause you are beautiful, no matter what they say.
Words can bring me down.
Oh,
You are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring you down. No, no. Don't you bring me down today. No matter what we do, no matter what they say, but the sun is shining through, and the tide's going to. And everywhere we go, the sun will always shine. You're beautiful, no matter what you say. Yes, words can bring you down. Yeah, we are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring us down. No, no. So don't you bring me down today.